You think you need perfect conditions to create consistently. Well, let me tell you, you don't. And I'm about to prove it. My office disappears in 1 week. My schedule is about to be chaos. But I'm still posting. So my girlfriend's mom is visiting and my office becomes her guest room. My recording setup is gone. So my light, my camera, my mic, my desk. So I'm filming this now while I still can. And that's exactly what this video is about. How to keep creating when life doesn't cooperate. If you wait for perfect conditions, this is what happens. Life gets complicated, so a new client comes in, family's visiting, something urgent comes up. And your creation schedule blows up and you think, I guess I'm not posting this week. Then 1 week becomes 2 weeks and 2 weeks becomes a month. And suddenly you haven't posted in 6 weeks. And you're wondering if you should just quit. So I created through chaos. I've done it through moving, through burnout, through starting a relationship. And I'm doing it right now. So I'm filming this before my office disappears. And not because I have superhuman discipline, but because I build systems that work when life doesn't cooperate. So in this video, we're going to talk about the constraint-based creation system I use, the one thing you can't drop when life gets busy, and how to protect 1 hour per day and how to ship at 70% without feeling guilty. But quick thing first, this system keeps you consistent without burning out. But if you're already feeling burned out, I built a free 2-minute quiz that shows you exactly what type of burnout you're dealing with. The link is in the description. So let's start with the biggest mistake creators make when life gets chaotic. They try to do everything at the same level, and that's why they burn out. Most creators think consistency means posting the same quality at the same frequency no matter what. But that's impossible when life doesn't cooperate. I ask myself a different question. What's the 20% of my process that generates 80% of the value? For video creators, that's filming. If you film something, even if it's rough, you can fix it in editing, so fix it in post. But if you don't film, there's no video. For podcasters, it's recording. For writers, it's getting words on the page. That's the 20%. The one thing that keeps you moving forward. Everything else is negotiable. The content isn't as polished, but it exists. So ask yourself this question. If I only had 1 hour this week to work on my content, what's the one thing I would do that would keep me moving forward? So not editing, not thumbnails, not analytics. What's the core creation act? Whatever that is, protect that. Let everything else slide temporarily. When life gets busy, your 20% is non-negotiable. Everything else can wait. So you know what to protect. But here's the problem most creators face next. They don't know when to protect it. And that's why they still don't create when life gets chaotic. When life gets busy, most creators try to find extra time to create. They wake up earlier, they work late, they steal time from weekends, and that's how you burn out. I protect 1 hour per day, that's it. Not 2, not 3, just 1 hour. So when my girlfriend's mom is here, that will be from 9 AM to 10 AM. And I knew that once she will arrive, my schedule is going to be unpredictable, so I blocked already this hour. During that hour, I'm not answering emails, I'm not handling urgent things, I'm filming this video. That's it, 1 hour, then I go back to life and handle everything that's chaotic. Some days that hour is for filming, some days it's for scripting. Some days it's just for organizing my content bank, so I'm not starting from scratch later. In 1 hour you can film one section. You can outline one script, you can record one podcast segment, you can write 500 words. And when you do that 5 days in a row, you've made 5 hours of progress. And that's enough to stay consistent. The mistake most creators make is thinking they need a full day to create. So they wait for that full day, and when life is busy, that full day never comes. 1 hour always comes. Even in the busiest week, you can find 1 hour. Okay, so you're protecting your 20% and you're blocking 1 hour per day. But here's the hardest part for most creators. If you don't get this right, you still freeze up when life gets messy. So you're used to polishing your content to 95%. But when life gets busy, 95% become impossible. So you have two choices. Ship at 70% or don't ship at all. Some creators choose don't ship because they rather post nothing than post something imperfect. But this video you're watching right now, this is probably at 70%. But it's a video and you're watching it, which means it worked. First, understand this. Imperfect content that exists is better than perfect content that doesn't. Your audience won't abandon you because one video wasn't perfect, or even two, or even three. But they might forget about you if you disappear for a month. When life gets busy, drop your standards temporarily. Not permanently, definitely not. Temporarily. It's not that you're getting lazy, it's about staying consistent. When life calms down, you can go back to 95%. But in busy season, 70% is enough. So let's say you're shipping at 70%. But you actually don't need to produce content in busy times. So this is a system that saves you every time life gets complicated. When I have extra time, let's say I finish a project early or I have a light week, I don't just relax, I batch extra content. I film 6 videos instead of 4. I outline 8 scripts instead of 2. I record 10 voice memos with ideas instead of 5. And then I bank them. I don't publish them all immediately and sometimes never at all. I save them for the weeks when I'm too busy to create. So right now I have 3 videos banked, which means even if the next 2 weeks are total chaos with my girlfriend's mom, I can relax. I don't have to panic. Most creators do the opposite. When they have extra time, they rest, which is totally fine. But then when life gets busy, they have nothing banked and they panic. When you have a good week, get a little bit ahead. Film 1 extra video, outline 2 extra scripts, record a few extra voice memos with content ideas, and then save them. Don't publish them at all. Just have them for you for these busy times. And this doesn't mean you never rest. It means when you have a good week, you create breathing room. So when you have a terrible week, you're not starting from zero. The batch bank gives you permission to coast during busy seasons without disappearing. Alright, and there's one more thing about busy times. When life gets busy, your normal format might be too complicated to sustain. If you normally film with 3 camera angles, fancy B-roll and motion graphics, that's great when you have time for that. But during chaos, that's a bit too much. So strip it down. 1 camera angle, no B-roll, no fancy editing, just you talking to the camera. For podcasters, that might mean solo episodes instead of interview with 5 guests. No editing, just hit record and talk. For writers, that might mean shorter posts with fewer references and no graphics. The content is just simpler, but the message is there. So look at your current creation process. What's the most complicated part? Is it multiple camera angles? Is this fancy B-roll? Then skip it temporarily. Motion graphics, for example, not necessary right now. When life calms down, you go back to your normal format. But during chaos, simplified is survival. The goal isn't to stay at this level forever. It's to keep creating when life doesn't cooperate. So, find your 20%, protect 1 hour per day, ship at 70%, build your batch bank, and simplify your format. That's how you keep creating when life gets chaotic. This constraint-based system helps you stay consistent when life gets messy. But if you're still struggling, it might not just be a time problem. It could be another type of burnout. So take the free 2-minute quiz I mentioned earlier. It tells you which type of burnout you're dealing with. The link is in the description. And if you want to find your peak energy window, so you know which hour during the day to protect, the energy and time audit templates are also linked below. Alright, so now you got the system for busy season. But here's the thing. The holidays are coming and the holidays break most creators. Not because of the work, because of the guilt, the family conversations, and the phone you can't stop checking. In the next video, I show you how to actually survive the holidays without burning out or disappearing. See you there.